In this video, see how anyone from business analysts to developers can extract food product catalog data easily with Minexa.ai. No coding needed. Navigate to blinkit.com, where your food product catalog is already visible, then let Minexa do its job. Next, open Minexa by clicking its icon in the toolbar to get started quickly.
With the panel open, press I'm on the right page, so Minexa can analyze this food product catalog layout instantly.
That quickly, Minexa picked up how the food product listings are paginated on blinkit.com. Here, choose List Only for speed, or Detail Pages if each product links to more info. Tap Continue Advanced if the job needs to click a button or scroll before the list becomes visible. The highlighted block is your data container. Click Create Scraper, and Minexa figures out every piece automatically. Minexa found every piece of data on the page, including product names, prices, images, and descriptions, without any input from you. Developers, click API Request to get ready to run code with JS rendering and proxy settings already in place. Finalize and save by hitting Complete Configuration to lock in your scraping setup. Minexa spotted the pagination automatically. Every future run covers all pages without extra work. Almost there. Connect Google Sheets if you want results pushed there after each run, then create the job.
Hit Run, and the job starts collecting data instantly, scraping all listed food products across pages.
Hidden data came through too, including image links and details not immediately visible. Data points like product names, brands, prices, and snack descriptions are all captured and returned in structured format, preserving their connection on the page. Hit Export, and the complete dataset is yours, ready to open and work with in your preferred tool. That is Minexa. Clean data from any website in minutes, and for developers, up to hundreds of times cheaper than passing pages to an LLM at scale.